Start with a frame, a box made of steel. To keep the cold in, that's the primary deal. Line it with plastic, smooth and so white. Then fill up the gaps with foam airtight. Insulation is key to keep out the heat, making the shell weather cold and dry meat. Oh, it's the science of the chill, the cycle of the frost, moving the heat so the warmth is all lost. From the coils in the back to the air inside, in the world of the fridge there's nowhere to hide. Compress, condense and let it expand, the coolest invention in all the land. Now bring in the heart, the compressor is there, squeezing the gas with a heavy-duty flare. The refrigerant gets hot as it's pushed through the line into the condenser coils where it starts to shine. The heat escapes out to the room's open air, turning gas into liquid with a misty-like care. But wait for the magic expansion valve part, where the pressure drops down like a beat of a heart. The liquid turns cold, so icy and deep, as it enters the evaporator while we're all asleep. It sucks up the warmth from your milk and your fruit, taking the heat on a one-way route. Oh, it's the science of the chill, the cycle of the frost, moving the heat so the warmth is all lost. From the coils in the back to the air inside, in the world of the fridge there's nowhere to hide. Compress, condense and let it expand, the coolest invention in all the land. Add in the thermostat, the brain of the chill, to watch every degree with a steady fast will. The copper tubes running like veins in a chest, the fan blows the air to do all the rest. Seal it with magnets on a rubbery door, so the cold stays inside from the top to the floor. Oh, it's the science of the chill, the cycle of the frost, moving the heat so the warmth is all lost. From the coils in the back to the air inside, in the world of the freaks there's nowhere to hide. Compress, condense and let it expand, the coolest invention in all of the land. Now the motor hums a steady cool